Emerald, Bang, Wolfgang Puck, calling all kids interested in the culinary and hospitality areas. ProStart is a 2-year program for juniors and seniors.
In ProStart, we do a program where the kids actually go out and mentor with a chef, get life experience while they're getting paid. 2 of my kids that were in ProStart last year are in Johnson & Wales this year, and they came back a couple weeks ago and did some demonstrations for us. And we work with some restaurants here in Greeley. The chefs there will take my kids under their wing and actually mentor them. And so the kids get paid after school to do that. And we do a lot of tours. We do a lot of, we go check out their kitchens, and UNC chef has been working with us, so it's been really good. If they get 400 hours of work experience and complete the test 1 and test 2, and there's a competency checklist they have to do, they are eligible for scholarships. And last year there was over $1 million in scholarships given away in Colorado. So kids that say, I can't afford to go to college, take ProStart, get your tests in, get your work experience, and you'll have a shot at getting a great scholarship.
Earn thousands of scholarship dollars and college credit while working under a local chef. Who knows? You could be the next Iron Chef.